If your car is jerking more than a roller coaster, something's definitely off. It might be your MAF sensor screaming, "Help, I'm failing." Here are the most common symptoms of a bad MAF, mass airflow sensor, explained in a way even your go-to mechanic buddy would understand without overthinking. Symptom number 1, jerking while accelerating. You feel like the car wants to move, but suddenly stumbles, like something's holding it back. That's usually because the air-fuel mixture is off balance. Symptom number 2, excessive fuel consumption. You're hitting the gas station more often without driving more miles. The engine thinks it needs more fuel than it actually does. Symptom number 3, rough idle. The car shakes when it's stopped or feels like it's about to stall. It literally feels like it has the hiccups. Symptom number 4, black smoke from the exhaust. This happens when there's too much fuel and not enough air in the mix, causing incomplete combustion. The result? Dark smoke and a strong gas smell.
Symptom number 5, hard starts. Sometimes the car doesn't start right away, or you have to press the gas pedal to get it going. That's due to poor air readings. Symptom number 6, check engine light is on. Classic. If the MAF sensor fails, the ECU, your car's computer, will likely detect it and light up that dreaded little warning. Symptom number 7, loss of power. You notice the engine isn't responding properly when you step on the gas. It feels like the car is just being lazy. Now listen up, here's a quick tip. Sometimes the sensor isn't broken, it's just dirty. A good cleaning with a special MAF sensor cleaner can work wonders.